The panel has blue light setting features. Let's check those out. At the top right-hand corner in the settings button, if you tap on that, you will scroll down towards the bottom and see Smart Eye Protection. You'll touch on that and you can see that you can change a few settings here. The first one is the Eye Protection Writing Mode. This will change the white brightness when you're under the writing mode. To turn that on, you'll toggle on the right side. Next, you have the Eye Protection Brightness Control Mode. This will change the screen's brightness based on the ambient light. Again, toggle over on the button on the right side. Lastly, you'll see the blue light filter. If I toggle that on, underneath you'll see the filter level. Here, if I hold down on it, I can adjust the blue light filter. This are some of the blue light filter settings that you can adjust on your panel.